Installing the Thompson T32 wheel on a John Deere or Kinze planter. You take your sleeve, put that in your hub when you get it. And then on the other side of the hub goes your inside dust cap with the wedge built in. It has these notches. And you take your washer and your bolt, put that through there. So you see the notches here. This middle notch is a little different than these circles. This is the full 6 degrees of toe out. And it's easier to do these before you put the wheel, star wheel on to install these hubs, so you can get your wedge where you want it, and then put the star wheel on. And we'd recommend running staggered. One wheel in the front and the other one in the back hole. There's 2 holes. Then you take one, get it started. Ready to go.